In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Keurig Duo coffee maker. The first thing that you want to do is to make the basic power reset, which is going to be the most effective in our case. To do this, you want to press the power button on your coffee maker, making sure that it's completely turned off. From there, we can then remove the plug from the wall outlet, wait for around 5 minutes, and while you're at it, you can also press the power button for around 10 to 30 seconds, making sure that we completely drain out the power from the electronics. We can then plug it back in using the direct wall outlet. We simply want to avoid extension cords. You can press on the power button and check if the issue is gone. The second way is to do the hard reset. To do this, you want to turn off the machine, unplug it from the outlet, and then you want to remove the water reservoir. Wait for around 5 to 10 minutes, reattach the water reservoir firmly, plug the machine back in, and once again you want to turn it on. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.